Good day everyone and welcome to Adventures with Parker. Today we are here at Canada's Wonderland. I was actually here yesterday as well, but didn't vlog. And I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog today. It kind of depends on a few things. But I've heard rumors that Mighty Canadian Minebuster will be opening later today. We'll see if that's true. And I also want to see AlpenFury Testing because I have not seen it in motion yet. I actually did see it launch as I was pulling into the parking lot, but since getting in the park, it hasn't gone again. So I don't know if we'll really be able to see it today at all because yesterday when I was here, it didn't test. I was hoping I'd catch it, but I didn't. Yeah, basically the content of this vlog really depends on what the park decides to do. But without any further ado, let the Wonderland adventures begin. Not too long ago, I put out a vlog about the Food and Wine Festival, and already they've transformed this space to get ready for Celebrate Canada, which I believe starts this upcoming weekend. It's pretty much the exact same setup though. You have the passport bar, you have all the food booths, you have the stage here, like nothing's changed. They've just redone the colors really, and I'm sure they're gonna introduce new menus, but yeah, I guess it makes it easy for them to switch over to festivals just by keeping it here. Also, something I just noticed is that all the construction walls are down. So this is pretty much the final look of the ride with the fencing here and the mulch here. They might add some more flowers and plant life to fill it in. But yeah, this is basically what this part of the park is gonna look like. And it's nice, like it keeps that open plaza by the globe. It's not too, you know, crowded in. Like when they had the fences, this whole spot was blocked off. But it's very neat, very clean, and doesn't change too much of what it was before, which I really like. All right, just had lunch at Coasters. My first time going to Coasters this season, and I decided to get myself a Smarties milkshake as well. Like I said, I swear I saw it launching as I pulled into the parking lot, but it hasn't moved since, unless it did when I was inside. And while I was over here, I figured I'd check out Minebuster, and it's not open yet. Soon, I think. Could be today, like I was saying, but we'll have to see. All right, after waiting for all season, the Mighty Canadian Minebuster is open. I am so excited because I've been waiting to ride this since they did the retrack. For those of you who need to catch up, Gravity Group came in, completely redid the first half of the ride, added in an airtime hill, so it's gonna be smoother and better than it ever was, and I'm so pumped. Alrighty, so I just got off of the Mighty Canadian Minebuster post retrack, and it is so good. Like that first half, so smooth. You actually get some decent moments of airtime. Like it really is a completely new ride. The second half, still a little shaky. I am hoping that they do that second half next year. But yeah, first half, so smooth. I'm honestly blown away. I got to do it again closer to the back because I did a middle row ride this time. But yeah, I'm so impressed and so happy with how this project turned out. And I mean, again, if they do that second half next year, it's going to be a perfect ride. So yeah, I'm really happy that we finally have a good Woody here in Canada now.
2 hours later.
Oh my God, back row on this thing is so good. And like the thing about the ride now is that you get a really strong airtime filled first half, but then you also get really strong laterals with the helix. So a lot of Woodies, it's either one or the other, but this Minebuster, we get both.
Dude, Minebuster and Behemoth are fighting for the #1 spot of airtime right now. Like, it's amazing the difference between this one and this year and last year. The airtime reminds me of Shivering Timbers and El Toro now. I'm not even kidding with you. I'm not even saying that because it's my home.
He's not exaggerating.
It's so good. I have 6 rides so far, and I got 4 in the back, 1 in the second back, 1 in the 4th row, and the airtime is just so good in either row. Like, I'm surprised this is Minebuster now.
Yeah.
Try the front, like front row.
Oh yeah. I've heard good things about the front. I gotta try that one, so.
It's borderline ejector now.
Yeah. Hey, you either gonna love it.
Gravity group can't do no wrong.
That's true.
Literally.
No, I mean, they've been my favorite wooden coaster manufacturer for a while, and this just solidifies it.
A few minutes later.
All right, so we just had a very interesting ride on this thing. So first of all, why not kind of close the gates early, and Tyler Briggs got stuck. It kind of hit me, and I was able to get out before getting actually trapped by the gates. But then we were stuck on the lift. There's like a lift stop, and like it took us like 8 times of them trying to restart the lift before we were over. I was in the front row. Great ride, by the way. This is definitely a front row ride where we just kept inching forward. So we like inched over to crest, and we were like just over, and finally on the last one, and we were able to pull through. Briggs, you know more of the technical stuff behind all
Clock
this.
me in. So it's hard because like the timings weird. You have to you honk the horn, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, and you press it on the 3rd one. And then as soon as it starts moving, you're supposed to take your hand off. And I guess the guy, like, to be fair, they just got trained. Like,
oh yeah, these are like, we're dealing with some newbies. It's understandable that things are gonna happen.
100%, so yeah. It was pretty funny though, because we got to enough to the top where the front was able to pull us over. We were in the back, he was in the front. So funny.
Yeah, and then you got stuck in the gates.
Oh yeah, I got stuck in the gates. That was the beginning of that ride.
Yeah, so interesting ride.
I'm okay.
Yeah, we're good. We're going again. Liam, you made it.
I'm so scared.
Scared?
Scared, it's good. You'll be fine.
I'm so excited. Holy shit, dude. I can't. Finally, this shit's open.
I know, it took them long enough.
This ride is good in any row. It seriously is good in any row. No matter what seat. We're in a non-wheel seat. It doesn't matter.
The fact that we're saying this about Minebuster.
Oh my God, this ride runs so good at night. It is, it's fantastic. I'm just so happy with how this ride turned out. It is everything I was hoping for, and honestly, I think it even exceeded my expectations.
Dude, this thing's wild. I can't believe this is Minebuster now. I know.
It's so unrecognizable.
Like, I've always thought it was underrated, but now like the first half airtime's like Shivering Timbers now Toro airtime. Like that's crazy. And like the second half is still really good. Like,
I was saying like it's jankier than the first half, but it's not bad. Like they retracted not so long ago, so it's still like smooth enough.
It got faster each ride. Like this thing
Yes.
is fighting to be in my top 10 for Woody's right now. It's my number 3 in the park. It's better than Vortex.
Oh my god.
I'm saying a lot.
It's definitely a top 5 for me, if not top 4.
Yeah, I'm like, hey, you have to come down here and ride it.
Yeah,
Like, do
it's not the same ride it
like-
was. Not
like,
at all.
For you home parkers that maybe like did not like it before, you gotta give it another shot. now.
Yeah, you have to.
This is not the same ride, I'm telling you.
Okay, but yeah, I definitely didn't show a lot outside of Minebuster and AlpenFury Testing today, but it was such a good day. Plus, I got to hang out with the Screen Queens. That's why I didn't do a lot of filming, actually. I was hanging out with them. They were doing a few of the rides around the park. So, yeah, sorry I didn't get to include you guys in the video too much, but it was awesome hanging out with you. But yeah, between watching AlpenFury Test, getting on Minebuster, this is just a fantastic day overall. And that's going to do it for today's adventure at Canada's Wonderland. We are so close to the opening of AlpenFury. Originally, we thought it was going to be open by July 1st because the park had announced a commercial shoot on that day, but it seems that that event was cancelled. So we don't really know what's going on and how much of a delay that the ride is experiencing, and we don't really know why either. Rumors point towards some issues with the transfer track. When I was at the park the day before all of this was filmed, they were down in the tunnel doing some work on the launch and the transfer track, but it was really hard to tell what they were doing. Like, they could have just been doing some theming work. I really don't know, and I really don't want to put any false information out there. But it wasn't testing all day, but as you can see from this video, they have it up and running again. So yeah, it's just a matter of being patient and waiting to hear something from the park. I think that we're only looking at another week or so, but again, don't quote me on any of that. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more adventures from Canada's Wonderland, as well as other theme parks, attractions, and beyond, be sure to become a subscriber. And hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. You can also follow me on social media for more content and updates. I'm at AWParker on Instagram, Threads, and Blue Sky, and at Adventures with Parker on TikTok and Facebook. As always, big shout out to my Patreon members for going above and beyond in your support of the channel, and if you'd like to support me with a monthly donation in exchange for some sweet perks and bonus content, head on over to patreon.com/AWParker to learn more. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, the adventures are calling. Bye!